Scene 1, a vibrant kitchen with colorful vegetables on the countertop. Narrator, are you tired of boring salads and dull vegetable dishes? Scene 2, a close-up shot of a manual vegetable spiralizer. Narrator, introducing the ultimate kitchen tool that will revolutionize the way you prepare vegetables. Scene 3, a person effortlessly spiralizing zucchini. Narrator, the manual vegetable spiralizer, designed to bring creativity and excitement to your meals. Scene 4, a variety of beautifully spiralized vegetables displayed on a plate. Narrator, with its razor-sharp stainless steel blades, the manual vegetable spiralizer effortlessly turns ordinary vegetables into delightful spirals. Scene 5, quick shots of spiralized carrots, cucumbers, and sweet potatoes. Narrator, creates stunning salads, mouth-watering stir-fries, and delicious vegetable noodles in just minutes. Scene 6, a busy mom preparing a healthy meal for her family. Narrator, whether you're a seasoned chef or a busy mom on the go, the manual vegetable spiralizer is your secret weapon for adding a healthy twist to any dish. Scene 7, different attachments being showcased, and it doesn't stop there. Our spiralizer comes with multiple attachments, allowing you to create a variety of shapes and sizes. Quick shots of spiralized vegetables being used in various recipes. From curly fries to vegetable lasagna, the possibilities are endless. Close-up shot of the easy-to-use handle. And the best part? The manual vegetable spiralizer is incredibly easy to use. Simply choose your desired blade, insert the vegetable, and turn the handle. A smiling customer holding the spiralizer. Don't settle for dull and boring anymore. Elevate your meals and unleash your creativity with the manual vegetable spiralizer. Text displays with contact information and website. Visit our website or call now to order your very own manual vegetable spiralizer and discover a world of culinary possibilities. Fade out with the product logo and tagline. Narrator, manual vegetable spiralizer. Transform your vegetables. Transform your meals.